ALS, how much of a recovery are we seeing and what are we seeing? We've had 2 rounds of stem cells so far.
Yes.
And what have we seen?
We've seen he has more movement in his hands and his arms.
Right.
He's able to hold his head more than what he was before. And the head is staying there. He was having a lot of problems with the head. And after the last one, it's pretty much staying.
That's really nice.
And he's able to hold it up more.
Okay.
So that's helpful. And the physical therapist has noticed a huge difference. And being able to, he has him do certain things. So he's noticed that he's doing more than what he could do before.
Okay.
And he's easier to adjust.
Okay.
And work with than he was previously. So he's pretty excited.
That's...
overall, there's just a difference. Some of the stuff, you can't see.
Right.
But you can see it. And a couple people have said, he's more alert or more, but I don't really notice that because I see him at the good and the bad.
Right.
So sometimes when someone's not as alert, they're just tired or whatever. But I didn't really notice that. But other people have said the same thing. So I know it's not just one person.
Do you guys have visitors and company?
Yes, we do. We do.
So some of those people haven't seen him for a couple of weeks, right, and they'll see a bigger change than you.
Yeah.
Which is really important.
Yeah. He has like where his tray table is, there's a button that he used to be able to push. It was with his left hand that he could push. And then he got where he couldn't reach that. After the last one, he was able to, we moved the button down and he's able to reach up there and hit that button.
Oh, wow.
So
talking about
when you're not declining and you're starting to come back the other way.
That's huge.
It is huge.
And especially when it's been sustained and he keeps growing.
Yes. But he's also gained weight. That's not bad weight. It's not just like water weight. So
if he's carb free, then the weight he gains is going to turn out to be healthy weight.
Yeah. The doctors at the VA were very surprised.
Yeah.
That he hadn't lost weight. His mucus changed after the last one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it went from very dark green to white and sometimes clear. So
I think what happened for that is that when we went down his spine and sent the stem cells to his spinal cord, we can't really keep him out of the trachea because it's right in front of the spinal cord. So I'm sure some of them went there and probably cleaned up that infection. So that may change even more after what we do today because we're going to do it again.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.